Samsung Electronics enters the metaverse real estate platform as it opens up its flagship stores in the USA. You may be wondering why the electronics giant invested in virtual real estate and what is virtual real estate. History of virtual real estate. In Korea, we have Bangi Kim Sendal, who sold off the Daedong River. In America, a man named Dennis Hope has been selling land on the moon. He started selling the ownerless land of the moon in 1980 and has earned about 12 billion won from 6 million people to this date. Metaverse and virtual real estate. Metaverse is a compound word of meta and universe, meaning transcendence and world, respectively. Metaverse expanded the real world into the realm of the digital world. Under this system, we can carry out economic, social, political, and cultural activities. As the era of metaverse kicked off, a virtual real estate platform in which virtual land is traded followed suit. The craze over virtual real estate can be attributed to the fact that virtual land, obviously, is much cheaper than real estate in the real world, thus perceived as an attractive investment. For example, a piece of land that barely costs $0.1, 120 South Korean wons, is currently traded at 1 to 5 million South Korean won. Characteristics of virtual real estate. Documents such as registration certificates do not show real estate ownership. Non-fungible token, NFT, is used in buying and selling real estate in the virtual world to solve such a problem. The price of virtual real estate is determined based on the supply and demand in the market, just like it is in the traditional real estate world. The issue on the virtual real estate protection. The subject of trade for virtual real estate, virtual assets, does not have apparent substance. A risk would be a sudden disappearance of the owned virtual asset when a service provided by a platform terminates. However, the problem is that no legal boundaries protect these virtual assets. In the real world, when a bank goes bankrupt, assets amounting to KRW are protected according to the Depositor Protection Act. However, no such protective tool is available on virtual assets. Prospect and concern over virtual assets. The virtual asset investment firm expected the virtual real estate market in metaverse to grow as a $1 trillion market in the future. However, many are still skeptical about investing in virtual real estate. As mentioned earlier, virtual real estate cannot secure assets because there are no legal or institutional tools. Having no substance is quite risky as well. Furthermore, virtual currencies such as Bitcoin can be traded globally, but virtual real estate can be traded only within specific platforms. Thus, there is a risk in the long run where only platforms with many users will survive while platforms without users will disappear.